We are pleased to show you the 2017 MDX. The Acura MDX is a wonderful choice if you're looking for a mid-size luxury crossover SUV. Thanks to its high safety scores, a strong engine, all-around utility, and capable handling, this vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: all-wheel drive, electronic stability control, power liftgate, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, power moonroof, rain sensing wipers, speed control, four-wheel disc brakes. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.